the vein start swell. I say, it a pain me, feel like a cut me get cut to blow. Got pepper.
Dad, don't. You're too big.
Oh, I'm too big. Oh, sorry.
It's an island. Well, a vibe in it. Yeah. It's an island. Boy.
Yeah, my peeps. So, as you guys can see, place look clear. So I've been starting to clean up the whole of this place using my fork. So yeah, I reached this area. You know, so trying to clean it out so I can start putting the sorrel them as soon as possible and other stuff as well. So yeah, these are all the grass on the side here. Yeah man. So I'm gonna try to get rid of them. I'm gonna move them from here. And I go through the dirt as well because there's lots of grass in it still that I need to remove, but I had to do the major part, which is taking out the main grass, you know what I mean?
Hi. I'm a monster. Wow.
Open up. Huh? Like this. See? Come on, show me teeth.
As you can see from this other handle, yeah man, that's how it looks.
Huh? Tongue. Show me your tongue. Your tongue. Teeth must be clean. Tongue. Alright, that's it. I want you all to take a look at this. Look at pepper. I want you to take a look at that. This farmer here. Red everywhere. Woo! That one is spoiled. You can go on and on. Just had an ants bite right here. Even the vein starts swell. I say, it a pain me, feel like a cut me get cut to blow. On black hands. I said the thing painful. You guys would even can imagine what I'm talking about, I swear. Even the vein is swelling up. Look at that. Now look at the amount of pepper that I just reaped. So many. It's a one bowl of pepper. Beautiful. Can you see now? All the greens one. There's still a few more, like even this one I see it. See that one is getting red there? Yeah, but these are beautiful. One pepper to buy. So much pepper, yo. Beautiful, eh? Lovely. Yeah, man, this is how I get my thumbnail shots, you know. Get it in like that. Expose my pepper them to the world. Wow, beautiful. Like honestly, this is a lot. It's a lot. Give away some as well, you know, and freeze some. Don't wipe him out. Come. Stick. Good. Good boy. It's alright. Rub your eye. So much stuff in it. Don't rub your eye. Come on. Stop rub your eye. Let me see. Island, stop rubbing your eye. Come on. Yep. Don't rub your eye. Let me see your eye. They clean now? Yeah?
Yeah. My teeth are clean.
Show them teeth. All clean, eh? Let's go. Alright guys, so as you can see I'm sweating. So just want to show you all the progress of what I've been cleaning up. And this is how it's looking. Yeah man, so I did that section this morning. You can see where I freshly start this evening. So I take out all the grass. There's still gonna be grass there, but you know I get out most of it. Yeah. So put in the sorrel them, and also because I want to go all the way up to that end. Yeah man, and I have something to show you all that I put in recently. This guys, it's a sweet potato. Recently planted this. Yeah man, so it's actually what buy from the shop, and yeah, I just plant it, you know, make it run along this fence as well. Yeah, because the soil, the dirt itself is like kind of like a sandy kind of feel. Yeah man, see, that's the soil. Yes man, so nice soil my peeps. We're gonna see the progress how everything turn out, yeah. Now look who is awake. I had a good nap. As you guys seen this morning, I got a ants bite, and up till now this evening my feet is still paining me. Like literally I believe those kind of ants have some kind of venom, because I never felt an ants bite that lasts this long. This is different, yo. Hi. Hi Gucci.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm here. Okay, your time going in the tunnel.
My time?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Here.
Stay right there.
Look, show me. Hold it.
This one.
Yeah, don't put it on the concrete.
I see you.
Show the camera.
You was hiding there.
Yeah.
Okay, here. Yeah, can.
Big climber now.
Yeah, like this. Like Spider-Man.
Oh, okay, Spider-Man.
No,
No?
that's Spider-Man. Gecko.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Gecko do it for PD Max. No,
Yeah.
no, that's fast.
Too fast?
No, no, no. No, 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 no. Brum. 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 Whoa, 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 whoa.
I'm getting dizzy.
Whoa.
Slow
Phew.
down.
No, 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 no. No, no, no. I can't listen to. Phew. Whoa. Okay. That's almost like knuckles. Oh no! It's crazy. Oh no! Oh no!
Busy for this. Look at who can fully climb now without any assist.
Like gecko. Whoa! I was gonna fall. Dad.
Big boy, you know.
Wow, Dad.
Hmm?
That's a green gecko, like green gecko. Dad, don't. You're too big.
Oh, I'm too big. Oh, sorry.
That's alright. You're not a kid. I'm a kid.
Oh, you're the kid. So that means I'm too heavy for this, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, I got you.
Yeah, you're a man.
Oh,
You're not baby man.
I'm
You're not a baby man.
You're not right now, guys.
You're not a baby man.
Alright, I got you.
It looks like a green slide. Whoa!
Whoa!
The slide went super fast.
Yeah, and you landed on your feet. It's getting quite rusty though. Go on.
Okay.
Yeah. This part, the paint is off, so it's getting rusty.